Alright, in today's video I've got a Kobalt 40-volt weed eater, and it has an automatic feed on the bottom, like almost all of them do, with this little button, and it is not working. So now it is, so I'll show you how it was and how I fixed it so we can get that to feed. Here you can see I just can't get it to release when I'm running it. I can do it if I press the button and manually kind of prime out, but it just doesn't work right now. You can see here that I do have a little bit of thread here, and there's enough there to feed if it were working properly, but it won't do it automatically. On the other side it broke off internally, so there isn't even one sticking out. Alright, now if I press this down manually, let's see. Okay, well that does come out manually. So I would like it to work better automatically by just tapping it when it's running, but that doesn't seem to be working. It's probably dirty. Now to get these off is kind of you need to press in, but these are also clogged with dirt. Here, I got one side up. Kind of stubborn, so you can see I get one side up. I think what I'll do is take this all out, clean it really well. The whole mechanism is, there we go. Oh, I see how it works. Okay. So when you press this down, these teeth disengage from here, allowing this to turn. So there's nothing wrong with this, but there is too much gunk and dirt and stuff in here to allow this to turn. So I think what I'll do is I've got dirt in here. I'm going to clean this all up, and all these surfaces, I'm going to take the spool off, rewind it, clean all this out, and see if I can get that to work better. First thing I'm going to do is get some compressed air and just get the big stuff off. And I got a toothbrush. For the time being, I'm going to take all this off. Well, that sure slides easier. Oh, that's night and day difference. Yeah. Alright, now I'm just going to clean everything up. I got stuff in all these little nooks and crannies and dried bits of grass and whatnot, and I think it's just flat out just too dirty. Okay, if you've seen my other videos, I'll show you how to do this. This is just a short piece because I've been doing some yard work. Just find the middle, and then you see the arrows there. We're going to loop it this way with the arrows. See, there are the arrows like that, pointing this way. Okay, got the two little slots right here. Getting near the end, one goes there. Let's see if I have enough to go around. One goes here. Okay. Now the flange goes up. And you line these up in the holes like this. And then you can put them through. Hold them with your finger. And then take these, thread it on there. Okay, get that in. Make sure this one's in. Whip it around real quick. Cuts it off the length. Alright, let's give it a try. It works. So that's how you get that little mechanism to work. Take it all apart, clean it out, and put it together, and it should be working a whole lot better.